Hello guys, today I'm making video about Max's nursery. You won't see me a lot, but I will be behind camera, so you will hear me. And this is my outfit at home. Usually I wear ties and tunic or shirt, long shirt. So let's start with the door. Here is a picture of Max, and we made it at Laura Schneider Photography. So here he is 2 weeks old, and this is one of the pictures made by Laura. Our friend put this picture on the wooden panel by using 3D print, and I think it turned out to be really cute. And here we have another picture made by my friend Galia. I think it is in Impressionism style, and I think this angel suits perfectly to this baby room. In the corner we have changing table. I like this changing table. It is from IKEA. We use it daily quite a lot because we are changing diapers here, and we have you can see different hygiene products here, of course, diapers, oils, vitamins, brushes, scissors, some other stuff. On the top is this LED panel where you can see where you can put different messages. Now it is baby boy Max. And also I like this musical box with the wings of the angel. We got it when we were baptizing Max, so we got it from our friend. Some toys, and actually this panel you can put away and use this one as a bookshelf. Over there are some toys and books. To the left are in Finnish, to the right are in Russian. We are reading and talking to our baby, so I speak to him in Russian and read, of course, in Russian, and his father is reading in Finnish and speaks in Finnish. We're raising some small bilingual baby. Here is this cute horse I got from the friend. Her daughters, who are really small, were fighting over this horse, and my friend asked me, "Do you want this horse? I can't handle it." So I said, "Of course," and now we have it. I'm really excited when Max will be using it, when he will be able to sit. In another corner we have this crib. We are not using it yet. Max is sleeping with us in our room, and here we plan to put him when he's over half a year old, and we'll be using radio system. We are using this baby nest, but I put it here from Baby Boo. So this is Finnish made product, and we love it so much, and Max was sleeping in it so well, and he's still sleeping in it. I have been using it I think 6 or 7 times, and you can see it is in very good condition. Nothing had happened to it. I was using it in a washing machine, so I really recommend it because it gives some kind of feeling that baby is still in mommy's tummy. Somehow it gives, of course, because of this pillow wall. So really comfortable. This toy with the Max name we got from my cousin, together also with this blanket. And here are some toys. Actually, we put Max sometimes here to get a little bit accustomed to this place. He's enjoying playing here. And here we have the swing, Fisher Price. I liked this one a lot. Max can be here for a while, maybe for half an hour while I'm cooking. He likes all these toys. And why it is so good, you see, you can it can swing forward and back, and also on the sides. I like it. And the swing is really strong, so it's not very light. It goes really good effect if the baby has colics. Also the same with this, our small corner gym. We are doing some stretching here, some also yoga and Pilates as well with Max. Of course Max is not doing, but we are doing, and also we are doing some gymnastics, baby gymnastics here. And if a baby has colics like Max he used to have, we are using this ball just to calm him down. It's really good. Actually, I can give you a tip I just discovered. So if you are nursing your baby, I found out that raw vegetables can influence the colic. So of course there can be different products, and maybe this video is not about it, but we found out that Max is much better when I put the vegetables in the oven. This carpet with cute teddy bears, you can see it's really small for this room. I plan to change it to the bigger one, so he can, when he will grow up, he can play here and have much more space, and will be comfortable to sit on the carpet. And here is his wardrobe, some clothing. I have organized these hanging shelves I got from IKEA. It was only 10 euros, and I like how it is organized. Here I have his all bodies, bodysuits, then pants. Here some jumpsuits, bibs and hats, some socks, and over here some slippers, socks, accessories, so some other stuff. My sewing machine, and also you can see, let's put this ball away. Here you can see some other clothing. Most of the clothing I got from US, from Carter's. For example, this cute sweater with ears, of course. I think it is a trend. Every mom puts these ears on the baby. This one is from Newby, Finland. Actually, it's a Swedish one, but I got it from Finland. This cute gentleman shot from Benetton. I got this one from Walmart from US. Some cute bodysuits from Carter's. This one. Yeah, this one is perfect. And some other jumpsuits from Carter's. This one is cute. And this one, each one. And I also have here some baby clothing from a friend. She gave to me as her son is a bit older than Max. So, you know, baby clothing goes really fast for babies. You use it a couple months and then another size. So it's good to have some extra clothing. And here is the maternity box. Maybe you have noticed I have another under the crib over there. Just because the box was broken on one side, and I wrote about it to the company, to the delivering company, and so I got another baby box, but of course without baby stuff. So I have the broken one, but it's really big size, and it's good to keep some clothing inside here. Behind this door I also have some baby stuff. some linens, pajamas, diapers, blankets, and also here you can see this lamp. We also got it from our friends. It has right now night mode with the stars, and I think it suits this room perfectly. Over there we have this smiling face with the cat upside down for you, but just right for Max when he's laying over here. We used to have it on the wall to his right, and Max was always looking to his right, so we changed it and put on the ceiling that he will look straight, not to the right all the time. So here is his baby room. I really hope you like this video, and if you have any questions or comments, looking forward for them, and see you next time. Bye.